What's up YouTube? Scott's Scotty Tradition back with another video. Thought I'd do something a little bit different today. On a couple of videos back I said I'd mention that I had some coins that I would like to share with you. I did go through a few of the coins that I had, and I didn't think them to be too much special, so I am going to go through kind of some gold and silver stuff that I have. This is some things that I picked up over the last, decade or decade and a half. Haven't picked up a whole lot in a while from this, but I was actually pretty amazed to see the prices have actually gone pretty high on gold and silver recently. I think the spot price of gold is like $29.40 an ounce, and the spot price of silver is around $2,400 an ounce. So both of those are up quite a bit from where I purchased a lot of the stuff that I have. So let's just get into it. These are actually a couple of things I had in the box here. These are, looks like steel pennies from 1943. Obviously copper was very sought after during World War II, so the pennies ended up being made from steel instead. And this has got a couple of the different mints on there, probably Philadelphia, Denver, San Francisco. So I have that in there. I have a couple of 50-cent pieces in there as well. Just a little pile of them here. These are all 1964, I believe. So I want to say that these are the 90% silver content in them. I believe it's coins 64 and earlier, quarters, dimes, but just how that sounds with the 50-cent pieces, I can tell that there's definitely some silver in there. So got a little stack there. Let's get into some of these. So these are some silver rounds I picked up. These were back around, apparently 2017 is when I must have picked these up, because that is what it says on the coin. See, they're beautiful looking coins. And these are the silver rounds. That's the front. Then you can see the back. It says 1 ounce of fine silver on the back. $1 denomination. However, the ounce of fine silver, again, the spot price is about $29.40 right now. I don't remember what these were when I bought them. I think they maybe were, you have to go back to 2017 to find out what the spot price was, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't $29 an ounce. So, beautiful looking coin. I believe when I purchased these, I picked up 10 of them, so. You can hear them rattling around over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that stack. And then I have 5 more here. So I got 10 of the rounds from 2017. And then what I have here is some silver bars. These are Engelhard silver bars. 0.999 silver. And these are 1 troy ounce of fine silver. Again, the spot price I believe right now is like $29.40. These are kind of really cool little bars, actually. I kind of like having some of these smaller denominations like this too, because like in theory they're actually more transactable. I mean, if you had one giant 20-pound bar of silver, like I think that'd be kind of hard to transact with that, unless you're like shaving pieces of it off. So I believe I have 5 of these little guys, these little bars. These are Engelhard. And this one right here is actually a Johnson Matthey gold bar. Pretty cool. I know there's people that collect all these different, from all these different refineries and everything. There's Johnson Matthey. Engelhard is a big one for silver, if I remember correctly. So this one is actually a Johnson Matthey. And some of these bars can actually have premiums on them, depending on what refinery that you got them from. People actually collect this kind of stuff out there. And there's a few more here. I got 2 more of the Johnson Matthey 1 ounce silver bars. And there is another Engelhard right there. I believe I had 10 of them in all. And then I have some of the larger, these are the 10 ounce silver A-Mark. 10 ounces Troy silver, 0.99. Take a peek at the back. And these silver bars are pretty cool. 10 ounces. I think it's still a pretty good denomination of silver bars. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those at 10 ounces each. And then for silver, I have another 10 ounce bar here. This is 10 troy ounces Engelhard, and this one has got the old school Engelhard symbol on there with the serial number. So now these other ones I believe were like machine cast, and this one is actually stamped like old school, how they used to make bars. So these, I believe these old school ones carry a little bit more of a premium on them as well. Kind of a really cool item there. And what else do I have? I believe I have, this is from 2002. I believe that's just a silver dollar. And then this is from 1921. Take a peek at the back. This is a silver dollar, I believe, as well. And these, I believe, are also silver dollars. This one says South Dakota on it. Got the buffalo on the back. This is from 1988. And this one is also South Dakota, 1988. I believe my wife actually got these from her grandfather. You can see the patina on that one. Pretty cool. And then the last thing that I have here is a 1 ounce gold bar. This is a 0.9999 fine gold ounce bar from the Sunshine Minting Incorporated. Beautiful little bar there. So that is what I have in the gold and silver collection. Haven't picked up anything for this in at least probably 6 years or so. But just something extra to have. It never hurts to diversify a little bit. Put some eggs in a little bit different basket. A lot of this stuff has actually gone up quite a bit. I'd love to add some more, but right now the prices are pretty high. Like I said, gold's up to $2,400 an ounce, and silver almost at $30 right now. So it's kind of cool to diversify a little bit and to just take this stuff out every now and again and check it out. Gold and silver has been transacted in the world for thousands and thousands of years, so it's kind of cool. It's one of those things that as you go back and look, there's not much that we have in common, but gold and silver has had value then, it still has value now. Still costs a lot to get it out of the ground, or a mine or a mountain. So it's a scarce metal resource, so never hurts to have at least a little bit of your money in something like that. So curious to know if any of you guys, in addition to cards, do anything with gold and silver at all. Again, I haven't added anything for about 6 years, but I wouldn't mind adding a few things here and there again, just to kind of keep diversifying a little bit. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. We'll talk to you soon.